Hi, my name's Jude, and welcome back to Judy Reviews. Today, we're going to be reviewing Mexican street corn. So, a little background of Mexican street corn. It was actually made by Mexicanos back in, you guessed it, the North Pole. Now, without further ado, let's get in. Okay. Feel it. Right. The Mexican street corn salad is indeed 9.5 out of 10. You see, the points were taken off for one particular reason. I don't like carrots. Thank you for joining me in this Judeypoo Reviews. Bye now, and Merry Christmas.